How to open NatWest bank account online in 2024. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to open NatWest bank account online. So first of all, just simply open the NatWest official website while coming on the netwest.com, and after that just come to the personal section at the top of the screen. You will see a bunch of different options. Just simply click on the personal one, and over here under the top menu you will be able to see the option called product, help, support, you and your money, and other options. Just simply click on the product sections, and from there just simply hover your cursor towards the bank account section, and over there you will be able to see the bunch of different bank account options that the NatWest has to offer. Just simply click on see all bank accounts, and you can see what all type of bank accounts that the NatWest offers you to open your bank account in with the NatWest. So you can go for either everyday bank account, reward account, student, other current account, and if you are an existing customer, you can basically log in with your NatWest online banking login process. So for example, you want to open the everyday bank account with the NatWest, so in which it has no hassle and it is very easy to set up, very simple to use, and there is zero monthly fees. So basically it is a free bank account that anyone can apply for. But there are certain criteria that you need to fulfill while opening the everyday bank account with NatWest. So simply click on continue to select account, and after that you have to read through, and you can also do some research of yours while before opening the bank account with NatWest, that which bank account suits you the best and your needs and everything that you want to do with the bank account. And you can see that there are different things that you have to keep in mind, that you should be a UK resident if you are opening a bank account in NatWest, and you should also fulfill certain criterias. So you need to check your eligibility for the same and other things. And once you are ready with the documentations, and if you verify that you fulfill all the criterias that the NatWest has to offer while creating your bank account with the NatWest, just simply click on ready to apply. And after that, on this page you can fill this particular form, that you are not an existing customer with NatWest and you want to open a sole select account or a joint account as per your liking. And if you are all set, just simply click on start your application, and the application form will open up on your screen. And after that you just simply have to fill in all your details along with your address, your residence, your zip code, your personal details, and you have to also attach your documentations in order to completely fulfill the criteria and while opening the NatWest bank account online. And once you have submitted all your details and the information while filling up this particular form right here, you need to wait until 7 to 10 business days, in which after submitting your application, the NatWest will definitely verify your details and your account that you would want to open. And once your account get approved, you will be able to get your debit card and your account related details in your mail, and after that you are good to go. So this is basically how you will be able to open NatWest bank account online. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.